To eliminate parallax is very important in case of spherical mirror or lens where the real image is formed inverted. So what we do, we take some index material which has to be placed just on the same vertical line with the real image. And in this picture we can see there are two triangles, and just behind that there is a concave mirror. This concave mirror has formed the image of the lower triangle on the tip of that. We have adjusted these two tips are in the same line. So when we are moving our heads this side or that side, we can see that they are on the same vertical line, therefore there is no displacement of the index and the image. To understand how to eliminate the parallax, we are taking two triangles made of cardboard. The upper one representing the image, the inverted image, and lower one is the index rod. In the picture, now what we observe, as if they are on the tip of each other. But if I move my head towards right or left, then let us see what happens. As I move my head towards right, we can see the index has gone to the right side. That means they are not on the top of each other. As I move my head towards left, the index rod also moves on the left. That means the index rod is behind the image. So we have to take the index rod towards the camera. So now I have put it much in front of, it is not coincident with the image, but it is more nearer to the eye or the camera. So now we see what happens if we move my head towards right and left. We can see that as soon as I move right, the index rod goes to the left, and when I move to the left, index rod goes to the right. If the index finger is again taken to the other side of the image, then we see the same thing, that when you move our head towards right, it goes to right. When I move my head towards left, it goes to the left. So from the position of motion of my head, we can determine whether it is at the back or front. Now let us take the index rod just below the image, that means the real inverted image. So we take it below that and adjust the height so that they are just almost touching their tip. Now if we move our head, see what happens. If I move our head left and right, they are moving together. That means now there is no parallax. That means the image and the index rod, they are exactly on the same vertical line.